Hey, what's going on? Welcome to DNA Drives. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome. My name is Garrett, and in today's video, I'll be comparing two products for blocking a car. I'll be comparing this Quick Color guide coat. You can get it from Home Depot or Walmart for $1 to $2 per can, so pretty good deal. I found that it doesn't work that well all the time. It likes to clunk up in sandpaper whenever I'm blocking a car. And then what I'll be comparing that to is this dry guide coat by Duragold. I got this off of eBay. It's also available on Amazon for around 25 to 30 bucks. I got this one from eBay, like I said, 25 bucks I paid for it, and it came within 2-3 days, pretty fast shipping. I've used it at work, and I wanted to try it here at home on my own personal project car. This is my 86 Grand Wagoneer. I don't really show this car that much on the DNA Drives YouTube channel. I have a separate YouTube channel called the Grand Waggy YouTube channel. If you're interested in seeing more of this car and what I have in store for it, definitely go check that YouTube channel out. I'll list it down below along with the Instagram and the new TikTok page that I have for it. Anyways, if you're new to DNA Drives, hope you subscribe after watching this video, and let's get straight into it. So up first, I'll be spraying the Quick Color guide coat onto the right side of the hood. And then on the left side of the hood, I'll be rubbing on some dry guide coat, the Duragold. And I'll be sanding both sides with 180 grit sandpaper. In terms of applying both of these products, they go on the car very well. The dry coat, or the Quick Color guide coat, obviously you spray it on. Comes out, no problems. And then the dry coat, and then the Duragold product, you just rub it on. Very easy to use, very simple, straightforward. As you can see, the Quick Color guide coat, it clumps up in the sandpaper, and this is what I really don't like. As for the Duragold product, not as many clumps. And that's why I really love this, and I definitely recommend it. And by the way, no, this is not a sponsored video. So there you have it. There is the main reason why you should be using the Duragold dry coat product versus the competition. If you liked this video that helped you in any sort of way, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed around here, consider subscribing down below today. My name is Garrett, and here on DNA Drives, it's myself and another guy named Walker. We post reviews, DIYs, product reviews, car reviews, things of that nature. We have a Scion FRS, a Genesis Coupe, a 300 SRT on the channel, and then we also have a Mustang 5.0 and an 04 F-150 on the channel, full of content, with the FRS and the Genesis Coupe. Those are full build cars, we're calling it. So we're doing literally everything to them, and you don't want to miss it, so definitely subscribe today. And also check out our social medias down below, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Connect with us on there. We're trying to grow in the YouTube community, and also we're trying to connect with more of you guys, see what's up. So thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. See ya.
It all started when a duck met another duck, and they met another duck, and they became the duck trio. The end.